Meaning of head table.
Head table.
Head table.
Head table.
Head table. Head table can refer to multiple things depending on the context. In the context of a wedding reception, the head table typically refers to the table where the bride, groom, and other members of the wedding party sit. In the context of HTML coding, the head section of a web page contains information about the page that isn't displayed directly, such as the title and meta tags. In the context of a restaurant or catering event, the head table may refer to the table of honor where VIP guests or hosts sit.